Prime Minister Modi is spending 45 hours in this meditation retreat at Vivekananda Rock Memorial. What is going to be part of that 45 hours that Prime Minister Modi will be doing here? Of course, he will be in that continuous meditation at that place where his idol, his inspiration, Swami Vivekananda, conducted the same meditation in 1892. And we are told that in this period, Prime Minister Modi will not be eating anything. There will not be any solid food which Prime Minister Modi is going to consume. We are given to understand by the way of our sources that Prime Minister is on liquid diet only. We are told that he will only be having water or max to max coconut water in this period of 45 hours when he is going to be in that deep meditation here in Kanyakumari in Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial. The fact is that Prime Minister Modi has been speaking about his personal connect, his association with Swami Vivekananda, how his teachings have helped him to grow in life and how he is using those messages and the teachings of Swami Vivekananda in his working style. There have been multiple schemes of Prime Minister Modi's government which is on the line of what Swami Vivekananda had said. For example, if you talk about the new education policy, the Viksit Bharat, of course, which Prime Minister Modi has been speaking about, that how he wants to make this country a fully developed country by 2047, and also of course Skill India and Fit India movement with the government had started. These things have a stamp of what Swami Vivekananda had perceived. So Prime Minister Modi has been continuously talking about Swami Vivekananda and the impression that he has of Vivekananda on his mind. As far as, of course, the political messaging, Modi is trying to give answers to all those naysayers who say that he visited during that time when elections are underway. But with this 3 days meditation retreat, he's sending out this message that, look, there is no election in Tamil Nadu. Lok Sabha polls are over, but still he is here in Kanyakumari spending time at this rock memorial of Swami Vivekananda, which is right behind me. And also, of course, BJP wants to ensure that they penetrate into southern part of the country, because that has been their weakness and they have not been achieved or break the fortress of opposition here in South India.